In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and share an Office manual. By the end, you'll have a clear, centralized guide your team can access and keep up to date, all inside Notion. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create one in a moment. To get in quickly, choose the option to continue with Google. When prompted, select your Google account to sign in. This keeps things simple, especially if your team already uses Google Workspace. Once you're in your workspace, create a fresh spot for your manual by selecting Add a Page. Give your page a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find later. Something like Office Manual works well, but feel free to match your company's naming style. Now it's time to draft the content. In the page body, start typing your Office Manual. Think in sections so people can scan and find answers fast. Include essentials like work hours, attendance, and leave policies, and a concise code of conduct. You can add other core practices your team needs, such as communication norms, security basics, or guidelines for remote work. Use headings, short paragraphs, and dividers to keep everything readable. If you're not sure where to begin, outline your sections first, then fill them in. You can always refine the language later. The key is to get a complete first version your team can rely on right away. When your draft is ready to share, look to the top right and click Share. In the invite field, type the email addresses of the people or groups who should have access. Next, open the Access drop-down to review the permission levels. You'll see options for full access, can edit, can comment, and can view. Click through the options to understand what each one allows. Full access lets someone manage the page and its sharing. Can edit allows content changes without managing sharing. Can comment is great for feedback without altering the text. Can view is read-only for reference. Choose the level that matches each person's role and responsibility, then confirm your selection so the right access is applied. Finally, click Invite. Your recipients will receive an email with a link to the manual. You can come back anytime to update the content, adjust access, or invite more people as your policies evolve. Keeping the manual current ensures everyone stays aligned and reduces repetitive questions. That's it. You've built your Office manual and shared it with the right people in Notion. Keep refining it as your team grows, and you'll have a dependable, living resource everyone can trust.